What's going on, guys? It is your boy, Mr. Noland here. All right, today we are going to learn how to solve one-step equations with adding and subtracting. So, guys, we are starting algebra, and it's going to be amazing because you actually did algebra in elementary, and I'm going to show you how easy this is. But first, I got a couple jokes for you that are almost funny. So the first one is, what happens when it rains cats and dogs? So again, what happens when it rains cats and dogs? Easy. You can step in a poodle. That's almost funny. All right, joke number 2. What did the ground say to the earthquake? So again, what did the ground say to the earthquake? Ah, you crack me up. Oh man, that is terrible. All right, this last joke is the best one. I love this one. I should keep this like as a sign on the back. It says, "What did you learn in school today?" Again, what did you learn in school today? The student. Apparently not enough. I have to go back tomorrow. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen, and I'm going to show you how to solve one-step equations with modeling. All right, so it says to use the model to solve the equation. We have x, so remember, a letter is going to represent a number. A letter is also known as a variable. It represents a number. So you read it like this. Some unknown number x plus 4 is equal to 4. And here's our key. The big thing here, the big rectangle is x. The white circles are equal to 1. The black circles are equal to -1. All right, so in the last video, we said we have to do the inverse operation. So, step 1, isolate the variable. Some of you are like, what does it mean to isolate the variable? We're trying to get the letter by itself. Step 2, do the inverse operation. Step 3 is to solve. So, if you notice, it says x plus 4 is equal to 4. So we're solving for x. What is the inverse of adding 4? Well, subtracting 4. What you do to one side of the equal sign, you have to do to the other side. Now check this out, guys. 4 minus 4. We learned this in the earlier video. It's known as a zero pair. It cancels out. And again, what is 4 minus 4 over here? Well, that's just 0. Well, there's your answer. X equals 0. Now, some of you are like, well, we're supposed to be modeling this. I'm about to show you that. Now, guys, on the models, do you have to use the models? No, you can actually solve the equation from here because it gives it to you. But here's the model. We have x plus 4 is equal to 4. The inverse of adding 4 is to subtract 4. So we're going to have to get 4 black circles. I'm going to use blue here. -1, -2, -3, -4. Remember, what I do to one side of the equal sign, do to the other side. Okay? The 1 and -1, they go away, they zero out. They zero out here. They zero out here. They zero out here. What am I left with here, guys? I'm left with x. Bring down the equal sign. And now let's see if there's anything we can zero out here. These two zero out, zero out, zero out, and zero out. What am I left with here? Nothing. 0. Now, if you're unsure, this is where you check your answer. You said x was 0, so plug in 0 for x. 0 plus 4 is 4. Is 4 equal to 4? Well, yes, it is. That's a good answer. So again, guys, do you have to use the model? No, it's just a visual for you there. If you would just like to solve from here, you may do so. Let's go ahead and do another example. This time it says x plus 3 equals -4. So again, we're trying to get the x by itself, but attached to the x is this plus 3. What is the inverse of adding 3? Well, we have to subtract 3. So instead of a positive 1, this will be now a -1, another -1, and another -1. We are zeroing out this left side. Again, what I do to one side of the equal sign, I have to do to the other. So I need to put 3 black circles on this side now. 1 take away 1 is gone, zeroes out. Again, zeroes out and zeroes out. What am I left with? An x equals. But notice here I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 black dots. Y'all are going to say those are blue. Well, imagine it's black. So guys, the black dots represent a negative. And how many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The answer should be -7. Now, again, if you don't like the model, let's check it out mathematically. Isolate the variable. We're trying to get the letter by itself. The inverse of adding 3 is to subtract 3. Again, what you do to one side, do to the other. 3 take away 3, zeros out. It's gone. Now look at here. You see how the signs are the same? This is going back to our integer rules. When adding or subtracting, if the signs are the same, keep the sign, add the numbers. There it is. All right, guys. I hope this video helps. Now, y'all don't start stealing my jokes. They're too funny, all right? All right, guys. Y'all have a great day. I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.